Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to manage photo tagging on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the started. First we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And after that, you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner. This means your profile picture maybe. Click on and go to the settings and privacy. Let's move to privacy and safety. Click on. And then you can go to the audience and tagging in the first of the things. And let's move to the photo tagging. Click on the photo tagging. Okay, the photo tagging here, there is three options for you. The first one, the anyone can tag you. So the following or the follow you, the people who follow you is can tag you. Okay, maybe the stranger can also to tag you. The second one is the only people you follow and tag you. And the people that you can to follow, this is can tag you. And the third one is off. Is nobody has to take you, and I want to use the off, and so don't anyone to take me. Okay, and now the photo tagging is off. It means no one to taking to you. Okay, this is a tutorial how to manage photo tagging on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.